Mechanisms of biodegradation of toxic organic compounds by microorganisms, focusing on alkyl phenol degradation. By Young Cheol Chung. In this chapter, the biodegradation of various toxic compounds by microorganisms has been discussed. First, the degradation characteristics of the Bacillus sp. CYR2 strain was described. Next, the isolation methods and degradation capabilities of recently studied rhizosphere microorganisms were described. Finally, the degradation of alkyl phenols in a model soil using the mold Penicillium sp. CHY2 as an example was explained. With a particular focus on alkyl phenols, ARPs, among the compounds discussed in this chapter. Based on 16S rRNA gene sequence and phylogenetic analysis, the isolated strain was identified as Bacillus sp. CYR2. Degradation of various toxic compounds and growth of CYR2 strain were evaluated with 2% and 4% inoculum sizes. Among the 2% and 4% inoculum sizes, bacteria showed highest growth and toxic compound degradation at 4% inoculum size. Especially, compared to 2% inoculum size, growth of the strain CYR2 at 4% inoculum size was increased by 15.3 folds with phenanthrene, 15.1 folds with 4-secondary butylphenol, 13.6 folds with naphthalene, 9.1 folds with phenol, and 5.4 folds with 4-tertiary butylphenol. Strain CYR2 at 4% inoculum size showed the highest removal of phenol, 84 plus or minus 5%, followed by 4-tertiary butylphenol, 66 plus or minus 3%. 4-secondary butylphenol, 63 plus or minus 5%, and 4-nonylphenol, 57 plus or minus 6%. Compared with 2% inoculum size, the degradation ability of strain CYR2 with 4% inoculum size was enhanced by 3.45 times with 4-tertiary octylphenol and 2.53 times with 4-tertiary butylphenol. Our results indicated that the newly isolated Bacillus sp. CYR2 can be used for in situ bioremediation of phenol and ARPS contaminated water. The bioremediation of alkyl phenols using rhizosphere microorganisms isolated from the roots of land plants was conducted. 3 land plants were used to analyze the tolerance against petroleum hydrocarbons and alkyl phenols. The plant Hosta undulata showed tolerance against petroleum hydrocarbons, 500 mg per kilogram, and one of the alkyl phenol, that is 4-tert butylphenol, 4-TBP. Hence, 30 bacterial and 13 fungal strains were isolated from the 4-TBP contaminated soil collected from the roots of this plant. The biodegradation of ARPS was investigated using the isolated bacteria and fungi. Decrement in the ARPS was analyzed using high-pressure liquid chromatography, HPLC. Fungi showed higher 4-TBP degradation than bacteria. Strain SB4, Penicillium pinophyllum, showed 76.8%, and strain SB7, Trichoderma asperillum, showed 49.2% degradation of 4-TBP under shaking and static conditions respectively. Apart from 4-TBP, strain SB7 degraded other alkyl phenols such as 4-sec-butylphenol, 4-tert octylphenol, and 4-nonylphenol. The major metabolites produced during alkyl phenols degradation with strain SB7 were determined using gas chromatography linked with mass spectrometry, GCMS. The results suggested that the plant Hosta undulata had tolerance against the toxic compounds, and the rhizosphere microorganisms isolated from the roots of this plant might be applied for the bioremediation of a PS-contaminated soils. The feasibility of Penicillium SPCHY-2 isolated from pristine Antarctic soils as a degrader of micropollutant 4-TBP in contaminated soil containing indigenous microorganisms were evaluated for the first time. The strain CHY- to completely degraded 4-TBP present in the artificially contaminated soil within 3 weeks. Coloniforming unit analysis was used to observe the number of fungi and bacteria present in the soil. The viable cell count of fungi was increased from day 10 to day 21 in contaminated soil in accordance with the decrease of 4-TBP concentration. These results suggest that 4-TBP present in contaminated soil could be degraded by strain CHY2. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.